Hello, welcome to Tech 49, a virtual industrial trip. A virtual excursion is a course that was finished by watching recordings and taking Ganda modern framework that are utilized for controlling machines and other machining processes. So we shall start with the computer section. Under computer section, we shall start with the SCADA, which is a SCADA is a product that is utilized for controlling, observing, and examining the modern circle in the assembling of businesses. This product is utilized control equipment, gadgets, for example, programmable, logical, and controlling motor drives. The use of or the utilization of SCADA in, let's say, the power. SCADA assumes vital parts in power transmission frameworks in the power area and energy. The data obtained from using a SCADA is gathered for use in charge and controlling and checking of force conveyance, which includes the caution of the cautious, for example, frame science estimation. We have communication, information acquisition, We also have the execution of checking, execution checking capability, which is expected to improve the functional assembly of the SCADA. The use of SCADA or the use of a SCADA. Use of a SCADA are shown in various ways, or in one, relays can be used for electromechanical. Operator begins these devices manual. Also have our system operation frameworks, that is framework which in combination of system and the product programming. And then we have let's say the impacts of edge computing. We go to edge compute or the IoT system, industrial internet of things. IoT has revolutionized the cooperation in many most important industries across the globe. Includes the following, or the users include the mining industry, supply chain management, optimization of shipment routes, impacts of IoT, industrial internet of scalability. We also have functional safety, functional safety. We also have community to reduce latency. Then we start on edge computing. Edge computing reverse back to the computing where computation are done at the threshold of the community as opposed to the core of the network. Industrial application of edge computing. We have food industry. The food industry. We also have food industry. Have the healthcare. Agriculture. Synchronization of services, supply chain management, Then we go on the specialization area. That is in my area of specialization, that is building and civil engineering. We look at cement manufacturing. Cement manufacturing starts in the quarry, where material such as clay, limestone, are extracted from the quarry by the process of called blasting. Rocks which are extracted from the quarry are crushed into a small pieces. Then after that, we do what we call raw materials pre-homogenization. The crushed raw material is then pre-blended or stockpiled to a pre-blending beds in the pre-homogenization hole. Then the blending beds and the scrubber that reclaim the stockpile transversally, which reduces the chemical fluctuation of the raw material. We have raw meal homogenization. The raw meal is transferred and mixed in a silo in order to get physical and chemical composition as possible. Raw material are blended, and then we go to burning. The meal is preheated at 850 degrees Celsius. Then at 450 degree is cindered and heated to a flame of 2000 degrees Celsius in a kiln. Then we do clink cooler. The molten material is then quite that is cooled rapidly by an air stream. Clinker storage. The clinker cooled down to 100 degrees Celsius and transported and stored in a hole with a storage capacity of 10,000 tons. Cement grinding. Cement and the cement grinding. The clinker is then ground with a gypsum, a cement setting regular, and one or several another main additional constants. Naturals such as limestone and porcelain or recycled from industries such as slag and fly ash. Cement storage. Cement is stored in silos of thousand tons that may be divided to receive different types of cement. We check all the quality control and the storage, which is sample and chemical and physical analysis are pre or performed. Bagging and shipping. After storage, we do buying and shipping. That is transportation. The importance of cement. Since cement is one of the essential components of construction services and it is used for various purposes such as building houses, offices, schools, and hospitals. Cement has the following importance. One of the greatest importance of cement is employment creation. The second one is infrastructure development, economic growth. However, we have the challenges facing the cement industries in Kenya, like the high cost of living, high cost of production, inadequate infrastructure, competition from the imported cement. Way forward. The way forward is to address the challenges facing the cement industry in Kenya. The following measures need to be taken into consideration. Investment in renewable energy. Investment in the rural energy. That was the way forward. Then we have investment in infrastructure. The investment in infrastructure. The government should invest in infrastructure, particularly in transports and logistics. and that is the end. Thank you.